Hey, what's up guys? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get a working Game Boy Advance emulator for your iPhones and all iOS devices. Yep, that includes iPads and iPods. So basically any device running iOS will be able to run this Game Boy Advance emulator. So now this is actually a Game Boy Advance emulator that you're all probably pretty familiar with, and that is GBA for iOS. So what we've done is we've taken the original code from the 2016 version of GBA for iOS and we've rewritten that code and updated it for today's iOS versions. So pretty much any iPhone will be able to run it, and as you can see, I've just loaded up a game and it starts up perfectly fine without any problems. So playing Game Boy Advance games on this emulator is more or less identical to playing on an actual Game Boy Advance, and the controls are same as the original version of GBA for iOS. However, you can actually customize it this time. So if you have the settings, you get to change the colors of the control as well as the size of the screen. Now, all the other functions such as save and load states, as well as speeding up the game, all of it is available as well. And it'll pretty much run any Game Boy Advance ROM out there. So that includes modified ROMs, ROM hacks, and stuff like that. Now let's go ahead and, oh, you see that small button on the bottom right? I just press, that's how you go back to the menu. And if you want to add games to the menu, or you can do that through iCloud. Just press the file icon on the top right, and you can also add it locally. Let's say if you have the ROMs already on your phone, you can add it from there. Now let's go ahead and start up another game. I've just selected this one here, Castlevania Aria of Souls, I think. And as you can see guys, it's all working good. Everything runs perfectly, and yep, like an actual Game Boy Advance. So there you have it guys. This is how you get a Game Boy Advance emulator for iPhones and all iOS devices. Now to download it, head over to this website right here, iozapps.com, iozapps.com. Now, once you're on the website, just scroll down a bit until you see a search bar. Now, in the search bar, just go ahead and type in GBA for iOS. Once you've done that, you should see an icon as well as a download button below it. Now, press that download button and you should see a description as well as another download button. Press that download button as well. And once you've done that, all you have to do is just sit back and wait for the website to download and install GBA for iOS onto your phone. So this entire process usually only takes a couple of seconds to around a few minutes. So just sit back, be patient, and let the website do its thing. It's almost done. A little while more. Bit more. Okay, now before you proceed, you're going to be taken to this page here. Now, in order to pass this page, all you have to do is follow all the instructions that you see on the page. Now, the instructions tells us to download 2 apps and follow the instructions for each app. So I'm just going to select this app here, and the instructions of this app tells us to download it and run it for 30 seconds, which is exactly what I'm doing right here. Now, I'm just going to fast forward this part, and I won't be demonstrating another app as I already have GBA for iOS installed on my phone. But yeah, basically once you pass this page, you'll have GBA for iOS automatically installed onto your phone, and there's nothing else that you need to do. So there you have it guys. This is how you get GBA for iOS for your iPhones and all iOS devices.